Résistance, oh, résistance, oh. Non, c'est femmes qui gagnent. Résistance, oh.
We Advance is a movement to advance the health, safety, and well-being of women throughout Haiti. Our center of operations is Wharf Jeremy.
So over here we have our clinic, and it's a medical.
You know, people thought we were crazy to go to Wharf Jeremy because it was considered to be the most dangerous part in Haiti.
We are in a red zone. A red zone is an area where the United Nations has declared it's a very dangerous zone.
We have 4 primary programs. Our Non-governmental family clinic sees up to 150 patients a day. By the end of the year, we expect to reach 50,000. Adult education programs include subjects such as reading and writing, English, hygiene, human rights, and gender-based violence, reaching thousands of people a year.
Today, I am a cat.
We advocate at the highest levels, both in Haiti and internationally, for women's empowerment, economic and political rights. Cité Creative provides a creative, safe place for young children. And most fun, once a week, we have wash day. 200 kids finally get a bath. In Creole, there is a term, potomitan. It means the center pillar of the house. Women are the potomitan of their household. They are the teachers of their children, the caregivers of the elderly, the breadwinners, the nurses. As an ambassador, We Advance stands next to our Haitian sisters, ensuring their voices are heard in the reimagining and reconstructing of Haiti.
I am more hopeful than I've ever been in my whole life about Haiti. And I believe that I'm not alone in that sentiment.
Not Fonse, We Advance.